All right, welcome back for more Driveway Shop. So a number of years ago, I started working on the interior, and I ran out of vinyl, and I also had a problem with my machine. It was running way too fast. I couldn't control it very well. So all of that got put on the back burner while I was finishing getting this back on the road. And now I got me some more vinyl, and I can get to work on that, doing the interior. However, this is not about doing the interior. This is getting the sewing machine up and running to a decent speed. So let's find out how I do that.
Da 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 da.
I haven't done anything with this beast in 5 or 6 years, maybe not quite that long. But it has a clutch motor, and I may eventually upgrade it to a servo motor, which has better speed control. But I haven't had very much speed control with it because it has a very, very small range on the pedal. You got to find the sweet spot, and it's very small. Otherwise, you start fast and your lines get wavy. So today's project is slowing this bugger down. It has a 4-inch pulley, and I've got a 1.5 to put on it. So I need to drop that, pull the pulley, swap it, and away we go. Alright, I got the motor dropped. Got my jaw puller all set up, ready to go. Wow, I almost ran out of room. Had that bugger bottomed out. Sweet. I just got to drive that key out of there. Although, moment of truth, I'm hoping the shaft is the right diameter for what I bought. Feels like it. Oh yeah, that'll be fun. Alright, so now I need to adjust all that tension in the belt. Fortunately, I've got all this room here. Loosen that screw. It'll swing that motor down out of the way. Tighten up the tension. Tighten up the belt. Set the tension with that top one. We'll be good to test it. I'll be good to test it after I get the cord up out of the way. Otherwise, it's going to rub that belt back there, and that's the last thing we want. It's all back together. Tighten up. You recall where it was. It's tightened way up here, and I had to take that much slack out of it. So I'll fire it up here in a moment. Got to let the oil warm up a little bit. So I'll let that sit for a bit and we'll come back shortly. Yeah, it stood on the end. Alright, moment of truth. Press your foot down. Step on the go pedal. Okay, good news is it works. Now, does it work? Oh yeah. Much better control. Good. Very good. Screwed up my thread, but I don't care at this point. I'll fix it later because this job is done. Much better control though. I can get straighter lines now. And that makes me happy. So that does it for this episode of Driveway Shop. I've got the sewing machine, Artisan 797AB. Upgraded, easier to control with a smaller pulley. So, that's it till next time. Maybe I'll get some work done on my interior now. Yay! Later.